Meaning of equipment.
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 Equipment. Equipment refers to tools, machinery, and other devices used to perform a task or achieve a particular objective. It can range from simple handheld tools to complex machinery used in manufacturing settings. Equipment is essential for various industries, including construction, agriculture, healthcare, and transportation. It enables businesses to increase productivity, efficiency, and quality output. Proper maintenance and upkeep of equipment are crucial to ensure its longevity and functionality. In summary, equipment represents the necessary tools and machinery required to accomplish a specific goal or task in various industries, ranging from simple hand tools to complex machinery.